Hi, welcome to RentalLeaseAgreement.com. In this video, we're going to talk about the Utah Rental Lease Agreement forms. We have the standard residential lease agreement, which is typically a 12-month lease between the landlord and the tenant. We have the month-to-month rental agreement, which is for an unspecified amount of time, but it can be canceled with 30 days notice. And then we have the sublease agreement, which is an agreement between the leasee and the subleasee. The leasee may choose to rerun all or a portion of the property through this agreement. To download the forms, which come in both Adobe PDF and Microsoft Word, you're going to want to click the link that says click here to download. This will bring you to the download page where you'll be able to purchase the documents. We also provide security deposit rules, landlord's access to rental property rules, when rent is due and late fee rules. That sums up the Utah Rental Lease Agreement forms. Thanks for watching.